This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a high-profile location in the South Loop, directly across the street from the fabulous Grant Park, and close to dining, nightlife, colleges and universities, and a CTA Red Line stop for a tour of one of the apartments at the new 820 South Michigan. I've just walked into Unit 708, a studio. Bath is off to my right, and I'll come back to that. Closet also to the right. I have a nice size living, dining, kitchen area here with track lighting and plank flooring throughout the unit. Ceilings that soar up to 12 or 13 feet. An attractive kitchen. It's new. Everything is new here. We have a 2-burner electric cooktop, built-in microwave, dishwasher, 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. And then you have large windows looking toward the dining and nightlife scene at the Hotel Essex, almost next door. You have enough space in the living area to have some flexibility in how you lay out your furniture. Heading back toward that bath. Very sleek finishes. Floating vanity, undermount sink, white quartz counter, built-in medicine chest, shelving in the tub surround, and it's a deep tub. We have a terrific location here, directly across from Grant Park. Literally steps to everything. And 820 South Michigan has some of the most affordable, approachable rents in the neighborhood. If you're budget conscious, you really want to have this one on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.